How to create a blog in Google Sites full step by step. If you wish to create a blog in Google Sites, first of all, it is essential that you go to your site and then you choose a template. Now we want to create a whole different section for blogging right here, and then within that we want to post our blogs. Within our website, what we basically have to do is on the right hand side you can see pages. So we will first of all create a page. So you can just hit the three dots section and you can add a sub page to this. So let me just go ahead and select, let's say this page I want to convert to blog. So for demo I'll click on three dots, and here you can see a couple of options. I can choose to duplicate that page, or I can select add sub page. Now in the sub page I will just type in blog. So this is going to be all of my blogs right here, and hit the done button. Now what I have to do is I can simply go ahead and customize this particular page right here by adding a couple of images or text box where I want to add welcome to my blog and so on. After that, for each blog, instead of creating a separate post, you have to actually create a separate page, because this is how Google Sites work. It doesn't have a separate button for creating posts, but instead you create multiple pages, and that pages includes the blogs that you want to write. So over here you can simply go ahead and then type in, for example, let's say you want another text box. You can paste all of the text that you want right here, and after you've done that you can add a couple of images by hitting the select tool right there, and then you can also go ahead and then add a couple of images in this case and hit the insert button, and then just finish up with your blog. Once you've done that, you can publish that page, which will automatically publish the blogging result. So I hope this video have helped you understand the differences. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.